Good evening or afternoon. Thank you for joining. Hopefully you had a great weekend. This week I'm gonna start with the indices and just a quick overview of what I will be looking for the upcoming week. On Friday, in the mid of last week, end of the month, I was expecting this pullback and we traded this pullback. We might have a deeper pullback towards these areas. This pullback, even on lower time frame, this is a completed wave around the 4 hour. So any break above this will indicate more up to come. But for the time being, I'm looking with the way it is showing on higher time frame and even lower time frames. We might have something like this. And we'll update our Discord around Wednesday, Thursday, if anything changed. But we'll be trading the following. Most of the indices are the same thing. Looking for a deeper correction towards these areas before any potentially heading up if we need to head and continue going up. But for the time being, we're looking for that. Any break above this and close, we'll be trading the following. NAS, the same thing, same concept towards these areas, retest of these areas. Any break above this high will indicate heading towards up there. That's from the indices size. The XY retest, we broke this low, we broke this high, we broke this low. Now we are right in the middle. Hopefully most of you that follow us benefited from this move. As we said last Sunday, we're looking for a break above here, then come back down, grab liquidity underneath. This is an accumulation phase, so it can go up that way or this way, but for the time being these have been cleared. I'm looking for something like this towards these areas. Most likely it retested this, so I'm looking something like this before any potential continuation of the up move. Pound, same thing, looking for this. We might have a bit of deeper correction to the downside, but I'm looking for this leg. Euro USD, same thing. If you go to the 4 hour, I'm looking for these two to complete, potentially breaking this low, and then this leg repeating to the upside. It is an accumulation phase, or you can call it a correction phase, or whatever you want to name it. USD CAD, looking for something like this. So why not have something like this before any continuation of the down move? Aussie, same thing. Still we are in an uptrend. We might have this, which is a swing trade to the upside. So watch this area, 74 250 area, for continuation, at least a swing trade to the upside. Gold and silver, as you can see, we are in this phase right here. So I'm looking for this, similar to this one, so that we don't enter into too much details and waste your time. For silver, same thing, looking for this. Basically, why, you see, when we have a liquidity grab from underneath here and something stays like this around these areas, any pullback is a potential short, because if that's the target and that's what they're targeting for, which is more than enough for continuation of the up move, price would not stay here. Price would move away from this position, like for instance this drop, and moved away from this position, right? But when they stay in this area, that throws a question mark if they are heading up. Is it enough for them to head up? Oil, same thing, looking for this. Hopefully you are benefiting from this view that I went into details last week, and I think I posted a midweek session to the public, our views as an updated view. There's some information that I shared concerning oil, so you can go and check it out, but I'm looking towards these areas. Crypto 4 hour, looking for this. This was a beautiful trade to the downside. Most of the guys in the group took that, specifically towards these areas and these areas as stated on this chart. And now I'm looking for this. It is specifically explained on our Thursday session that we posted publicly, so go ahead and check it out on YouTube. I'm looking for this move. If you go higher time frame, targeting these areas. ETH, same thing, still looking for this. This can extend much more higher, but something to look for. XRP, same thing. Retested this zone, this area, and we're looking for something like this. DOT, exactly the same thing. If you go on Thursday, I specifically posted the weekly session that we do in our Discord, just to give an idea what we look at and how detailed we go, and I don't want to say accurate, but detailed we go into our trades before they even happen. The price was around these areas, and we specifically said we're looking, if BTC is looking for that dump, so this most likely will dump and go back up. Same thing for BTC. So that would be it for this week. Hopefully that helps you guys in your trading and decision taking, opening trades or closing trades, or a swing trader, whatever type of trader you are. You're more than welcome to come and join our Discord. We have multiple traders that approach the market on daily basis as a swing trader or a daily trader. I personally trade between sessions, so more than welcome to come and check it out. Beside that, trade safe and have a beautiful week.